Hello YouTube, Helps and Tips here, and I'm going to be showing you how to sound like Fred in Sony Vegas. Now, this method works both with a video and a audio recorder. Now, I don't have a video camera to use right now, but same concept works as I said before. Now, I'm just going to record something really quick. Hey, it's Fred, and I'm the most annoying guy on YouTube. Hooray. Just save that. Now, now, what you want to do is you want to press the plus button, which is right next to your backspace key, and you just press it 4 times. And it should sound higher. Now I'm going to take my headphones out of my computer so you can hear. I'm not sure if you could hear that, but that was basically it. And if you want to bring it higher, that is no problem with that. You can always do that. And just keep going doing that. If you want to bring it down, you can press the minus button, which is right next to it. So basically just do that back and forth, and you will sound like Fred. And thanks guys for watching. Bye.